Learn English with Confidence. Episode 2, Talking about Daily Activities. Welcome back to Learn English with Confidence. In this episode, we will learn how to talk about daily activities in English. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your English step by step. 1. Common daily activities. Let's start with some common daily activities. Repeat after me. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work school. I come home in the evening. I go to bed at night. Great. Now, let's learn how to ask and answer questions about daily activities. 2. Asking about daily activities. Here's how you ask someone about their daily routine. What do you do every day? What time do you wake up? When do you eat breakfast? How do you go to work school? And here's how you answer these questions. I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I go to school by bus. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. 3. Practice conversation. A. What do you do every day? B. I wake up early and go to school. How about you? A. I wake up at 6 a.m. and go to work. When do you eat breakfast? B. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. And you? A. I eat breakfast at 6:30 a.m. How do you go to school? B. I go to school by bus. A. I go to work by car. Well done. Keep practicing these sentences until you feel confident. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. In the next episode, we'll learn how to talk about hobbies and free time. See you soon.